Hi guys, I'm with my good old buddy Quackers. Hi Quackers. I love Quackers. He's so cute and adorable. He's a Drake too. He's cute. He just doesn't really like to be held. Don't you, Quackers? But I hold you anyways. It's true. Hey, you're a good smelling duck. Did I ever tell you that? But I won't eat you. I won't eat you. Okay? You're my buddy. Oh, look at Owen. He's silly. Bye, Quackers. Here is Wiley. Oh, they're attacking me. The dogs. I don't want to be licked. No. Alright, this is my dog Owen. He's really cute looking. He's a silly guy. This is my Riley. You guys want to go play? Yeah, you want to play? What can you guys chew on? Where's Cheebo? Cheebo. Oh, Quackers! Quackers! What's up, Maggie? You like playing? Honestly, bro, where are your toys? Bro, there's no toys for my dogs to play with. Now they're gonna be sad. Owen, I'm sorry, bud. I'm sorry, bud. I don't know where your toys are. You have little rope things for our dogs. I don't know where they're at. Oh, there's a piggy. This is my mom's best friend. She's a piggy, yeah. And this is Wiley. You guys saw me get attacked by them. Oh, there it is. Now I won't get attacked. They didn't bite me or no. They just licked me. They didn't like licking me. Meta, you silly guy. We have nicknames for him. His name is Dopey. Yo, you want to eat? Which one? They're like chasing me. Hi. I'm out. Yeah, see? Hey, spin, bro. Hey, chill. Hey. He's not aggressive. He just likes playing. This is my best friend. Yeah, he's just silly. Oh, you silly. Hey, you better not. Oh, he's silly, yeah. He also likes fetching it. Oh, you want it? Go get it. Yeah, he's really silly. Oh, pretty. And that's all. Yeah, I want to show you my dog. I don't know where Abby is, but whatever.